Today, we will be testing the reverse moving average convergence divergence indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the reverse moving average convergence divergence indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 609 indicators, with 250 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the reverse moving average convergence divergence indicator, and you can see it here on screen. There are a few different moving parts to this, but I think we'll test this in a few different ways. The first way that we're going to test it is simply this blue line right here. And so I'm going to go in and turn that and that off and leave that just like so. And so this blue line here, what we're looking for is when it crosses down below price action, we will then go long. When it crosses up above price action, we will go short. And so that's the basic setup on the first way we're going to test it. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. You can see here, we get that cross to the downside here. Price action pushes up really nicely and gets us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so the second signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see right here, price action comes down below that blue oscillating line there, and we get another really nice push to the downside right there. So that one also gets us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a long right here on this one. Again, we see that the blue line crosses down below price action there. And we don't get quite the nice push that we got from the other two, but we got just enough of a push to the upside to get us to take profit. Now, of course, don't know where it's going to go from here, so it might push up really nicely to the upside. Not really sure. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a short right here. That one looks like it's going to be our first losing trade so far. Basically, price action just consolidates sideways before it pushes to the upside, getting that cross for the blue line crossing down below, giving us a long signal then right here on that one. And you can see that, again, we get a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. We'll probably finish out the rest of this year. We'll see. All right, we get another short signal right here. Get that cross of the blue line to the upside and a push to the downside with price action, getting us to take profit once more. Go ahead and continue on. And last but not least, we get this long signal right here. Get that cross and then a push to the upside. Really nice there. So that one also gets us to take profit. All right, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version. And you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus. All right, there we go. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 winning trades, and so obviously that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Really nice indicator here. Definitely wish you gave more trades. 7 is a little on the short side, but definitely a lot better than just 1 or 2, and it obviously gave signals rather accurately, and so can't complain too much about this one. This one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.